Tripura len tamoni bagai Tripura hatabuk saboni yago hasupni thungkrung boro thangai soginai saboba phemloknai eba saboba dofani samung khlainai sengmongtei phirokmungni bisingo tamotong koksil jamung jotono sarai sarai kinuknai chini khorangni koksalai bandani bisingtei hasini joto lukurok
We've had a Bihari as a chief minister. We've had a Bengali from West Bengal, Dipen Chakravarti, who became a chief minister. Today, our PCC president is a Manipuri, Maitai. Sunil Deodhar is coming from Maharashtra and remote controlling the whole of Tripura. And in the history of Tripura, only once we have had a Triprasa chief minister, late Dashrath Dev. And that also they made him chief minister when he was so old that he could not do anything. Announce that you will make Jitendra Chaudhary the next chief minister. I will support. Across party lines, I'll support. Announce from the Congress party that you will make Maharaja the chief minister. People will support. Announce from BJP that we will look at Debbarma. I will support. But no, you only want to project one community or any community but the Triprasa community. So then the demand of Tripura will happen. We don't feel that we have been given any share of the power in our own state.
In our own state.
In our own state. So this will happen. You give a compensation for that driver.
Right.
And you will not give anything for these victims. I am not saying don't give compensation to that driver. But then if you are giving them compensation, then why not Priyanka or Supriya? Is our life not as important as that other person? Even his life was important. But what about their lives? I am just asking the government, be fair. Look at inside yourself. Look into yourself and see why I keep on going and saying the demand for Tripura land is because the Triprasa people feel that they are not being given a fair chance. If the government starts being fair to all communities, be it a Triprasa, a Bengali, a Manipuri, a Muslim, everyone, nobody will want to think.
Nobody will want a separate land, or
because you're being unfair to one community and the community who this land belongs to. That's why you have this sentiment. And for our youth, my only message, I watch Chini Khorang myself. My only message to the youth through your channel is, please don't stop coming and talking to me. I am your community, I am your people. Come, meet me. I want young men, women to approach. We will make a new team, we will work stronger, and we will work for a better future for you and me. Not for people who are already past their prime and have nothing else to offer for the state. Then we will give it a united shot and then we can improve our state. But by just having freshers and seminars and big speeches, we are not doing anything to anyone. We are all getting older and we are not doing much. Let's unite, let's work together. And you see, in the next 5 years there will be change. Change will only happen when we decide to work together as Triprasas, not as individuals but as a community. So when I say Anthui Ankha Tripura Hani Bagui, it means my blood runs for Tripura. It runs for you, it runs for you.
Yes.
And let's make it sure that no more bloodshed is shed on us for our land. Let's reclaim our land back.